Okay, so 8-110. Without a calculator, we're going to simplify the following expressions. So a lot of this is really just review. If you've forgotten order of operations, we could do the whole circle of the terms. But I think at this point we're pretty efficient at it, so it's not quite necessary. So 20 divided by 2 is 10, plus -4 times -6 is 24, which is 34. When you multiply fractions, if you've forgotten, we need to convert them to improper fractions. So 5 and 1/2 is 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11 halves. 1 and 1/3 is 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4 thirds. So we're multiplying 11 halves times 4 thirds, and that's going to be 44 over 6. Okay, and we definitely need to simplify that. I know 46 goes in a 42 7 times. Okay, since it's 42, I'm sorry, there's 2 left over out of 6, and we'll simplify that 7 and 1/3. Alright, as far as multiplying decimals, 4/10 times 500, we can convert it to fractions if we want. I actually think that's a little easier. 4/10 times 500 is 20 over 1,000. Just divide both by 20, and we get 5 times 10, 1/20th. 5 times 1/20th. 20. No, that sounds wrong. That 20. 50ths, 1/50ths. Let me erase that. Okay, 50 times 20 is 1,000. Okay, if we did the traditional way, let me just write that. Oops, sorry, not divided by, times. Times 0, 500ths. 4 times 5 is 20. I move the decimal 1, 2, 3 places, so we get 0 and 200ths, same as 1/50ths. Okay. Dividing fractions. If you remember, we learned this using the supergiant one, but we could definitely do the trick, which is just to multiply by the reciprocal. So 4 thirds times the reciprocal is 8/5. 4 times 8 is 32. 3 times 5 is 15. That makes 2 wholes. 2 times 15 is 30, and then 2 left over, 15ths. Finally, just more to order of operations. Again, there's the term here, here, and here. So this is 2 plus 4 times -5 is -20, plus, I'm just going to rewrite this whole thing, half times 12, which I know is 6. Okay, 2 plus 6 is 8, plus -20 is -12. Okay. Finally, last one. Again, we just do, there's parentheses inside parentheses, so we're going to do the inner parentheses first. 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay, and then we're going to do the multiplication. 2 plus 3, 2 times the quantity 3 plus 4 times 8 is 32, which is 2 times 35, which is 70.